Khatoon International is the world's first fashion walk in the history embracing the concept of female empowerment and celebrating natural beauty. Khatoon International is an event where women empowerment is celebrated in many ways such as looks, personality, expressions, fitness, and Q&A. The event is organized by His Excellency Rashid Al Amiri and Bharti Munga.
Show director of Khatoon, and yes, we have this platform Khatoon where we can, this is a platform for the ladies, for those women who are in hijab, who are wearing abaya, who are wearing scarf, who are wearing dupatta in any religion. So they can show their beauty, talent, inner beauty in the form of modest fashion. So this is a platform for those ladies. So I will definitely say, come and join Khatoon International.
Khatoon International is a platform for beautiful, mysterious, wild, and free women split into two categories of Miss and Mrs. between the age group of 20 to 50 years. They will be walking the ramp and will be judged on self-confidence and human relation categories. The event invites all different kinds of women to be part of this magnificent event embracing the power of women. Miss Lisa Davies, who was awarded first Top Business Award in spite of a big fight and successful defeat against cancer, travelled all the way from UK.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Rashid Al Amri, chairman for 22 Group. And today we are very proud and very honored that we have done our press release today, and we are very happy that the participants and all the women, they came from worldwide, and we are looking forward to do audition all over the world. So that is what our next expansion. So we are looking to do audition in India, in Pakistan, in UK, US, Canada, Sri Lanka, all over the world. So looking forward to all the women to participate and grow this platform worldwide. Thank you very much.
That is a prestigious woman, noble lady, the lady who achieved something in their lives, the lady who has done something in their life, whether it's a housewife, whether it's a businesswoman, whether it's an entrepreneur, in any term. So this is the main of Khatoon. So all beautiful ladies are Khatoon. किसी न किसी फॉर्म में उसको कुछ ना कुछ वो हैं. So these all are Khatoons. So जो भी हमारी मेन विनर्स होंगे उनके लिए फ्यूचर ये है, डेफिनेटली हम उनको एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म दे रहे हैं जहाँ पे वो अपना फैशन मॉडेस्ट वे में शो कर रही हैं, तो उनको एक विजिबिलिटी मिलेगी, जो उनमें टैलेंट है उसको एक विजिबिलिटी मिलेगी इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे.
Thank you.
Professional makeup artist, and I'm participating here as a makeup partner here. And this is an event. Khatoon is to explore the woman's power, your inner beauty and outer beauty. So I'm the one who can explore your outer beauty.